Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. In today's project, I'm going to show you how to make this mixed media art journal page. I'm using dilution spray and acrylic paint. So let's have fun making this project. So let's get started. I'm using this watercolor paper and then I'm using dilution spray that is called cut grass, and I'm going to splatter it on the paper and then spray some water. Then I'm adding another color called pure sunshine, and I'm doing the same thing. Then I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm using the sap green in acrylic paint. I'm going to use it on this stencil. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos as I post it. I'm going to use this stamp and I'm using archival ink. Now I'm using numbers stamp. I'm using another stamp. It is like a dotted stamp. This is like a simple project. Then I'm going to use this number stamp. Then I'm going to let everything dry. I did this die cut. This is like a brick style die, and then I'm going to cut it and then stick it on each other so it becomes like a thick chipboard style, and then I'm going to color it. Then I'm using the same sap green to color. Then before I stick that, I'm using this washi tape. This is like a black and white washi tape. Then I'm using this stamp and I'm going to first stamp it. Then I'm going to stick this like a brick style chipboard. Now I'm going to use this jelly print paper and I'm going to use this die and cut it, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to just darken the edges. This die is like from Tim Holtz product. I'm just using small paper like a pattern paper, and I'm going to add that as extra elements. Now I am going to put some leaf on the top of the page. And I'm going to splatter it before I stick the focal point. I'm using some black acrylic ink and splattering it. Now I'm adding extra dyes in that. Then now I'm going to add some twine, and then I'm going to use some glue and stick on the page. Then I'm going to add this focal point. Then I'm adding this extra stamp. Then I'm adding this bug on the top, and on the um, top I'm also using glossy accents on the bug. And I'm going to finish it by sticking the coat. Now I'm going to stick this page in the book and finish it. And then now I'm going to just outline it using my pen. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. um, so I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you again. Bye.